Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover Gmail or Google account without phone number. First, open the web browser on your phone. In the search bar, type Google recovery page. Now enter the email address of the Google account you want to recover. Then tap next. Google may ask you for your password if you don't remember it. Try another way. If Google asks for a phone number and you don't have access to it, don't worry, tap on try another way again. Next, Google may ask you to verify using your recovery email. If you added a recovery mail before opening the email account and enter the verification code sent by the Google. If you don't have a recovery email, Google may ask you to do a security question like when you created the account, old password you remember. Answer this question as accurately as possible. After that, Google may tell you to wait for 24 hours to 48 hours. That's normal. Google may receive your request to protect your account. Once the verification is done, you will receive an email with recovery instruction. Follow the steps to recover your password and regain access to your account. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.